Hello everyone, it's Adam here. This is actually a Farkle that I do recommend you get. You can get these for pretty cheap online. I had the one from AltrRide, which I like a lot. Their stuff is made in USA. I think it's American steel, but anyway, good quality stuff. It is the, I've already lost it. It's the AltrRider side stand guard. So, you know, what can happen is when you're off-road, basically, your bike won't start if the side stand is down. And so by default, when this plug here, which is very small in plastic, when this gets broken off, and you see the wires are down there too, like they're just hanging down there. If this ever gets pulled off, then you're gonna have some problems with your bike not being able to start. And I've always had this thing installed. I like it. So basically what you're doing is you're just hooking this in here, and then you're zip tying that up there. You're giving yourself a little bit extra coverage to not have that thing torn off. So basically you're gonna grab a T30, you're gonna back this out, you're gonna put that over it, you're gonna zip tie around here in these two holes, and then you're done. So it works, it helps, can save your trip. So I definitely recommend you get one of these, even if you just get one that's cheap off the internet. As usual, I recommend the Made in USA stuff, which is why I had the one here from AltrRider. All right, let's get started. As you can see, everything's staged now. So we have the two zip ties kind of ready to fasten up. You can hide those back there if you'd like to, and the T30's back in there. So get all this where you want it, strap it down, and then tighten the zip ties up and snip those, and you're good to go. And we're done. That's it. A couple of zip ties there. That's nice and tight. Make sure the movement is smooth. You don't want this to be too sticky. I might actually loosen it up a little bit more for that thread locker kicks in. But you don't want it to be loose and sticky and tight there. Just grab this. Yeah, that's better. That's better. Perfect. All right, thread locker will kick in 24 hours, so you're good there. But you can see how this is nice and tight, keeps everything safe, and your side stand switch is protected all the way through here. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.